Hello, today's bonus game is Xordle. So we are solving two Wordles at once, but they're in the same grid. So there are two words that we're trying to guess. And when we get clues, they will be clues for one of the words. So the important thing to understand is that the two words do not share any letters with each other. So if one of the words has an L, the other one does not have an L, for example. Now, one of them could have two L's or three L's, but only one of them. The other one can't have any. And so there's going to be a unique cluage for them, right? So like this yellow A might be in the first word, and then the yellow I might be in the second word, but never in both. And so you can just assume it's gray for the other word. The other thing is that our initial word plus the two answers tend to be in some way related, and you can meta that a little bit. All right, let's get started. So we have an A, I, and E. I like to go for what could be an answer. So like we could do, I thought of steel and steak, both of which don't work, but I want to do an EA here. Steam. Whoa, okay, so they're all colored. Let's avoid using the S for a bit. Maybe we could do like an AER word, like taper or something. Okay, so the A and E are placed, but there is no R. So what goes after that E? Because usually it's not going to be ED. I mean, I take it back. Because these are custom words, you could do ES, you could do ED. So we can't discount that. I think at this point we've got 6 letters. Okay, 3 greens, 3 yellows. If we ignore the greens, we still need to use the I somewhere. Maybe we start with M. Maybe we could do MI. I don't really want to do Misty, but I'd like to end with Y. Minty is actually a good guess. Okay, I placed the I and the D. So we know it goes in these 2 slots. We don't know which takes which. Where's the M go, I wonder? Because it's not first, it's not last. So actually the M has to go in the middle. So we could be like AME or IME. One of them uses the S. Maybe we're doing like an IMED or AMED. Alike. I wonder if a like helps us at all. AMED. I'm just going to guess gamed and see how we're doing there. There is a D. So the D's either in the middle or first. What am I missing here? So we could have like an, let's see. What's that T doing? So I think the D is going to have to go before the E because we're not doing DT. So then we're going to, we're either doing MT or DT. I like MT better. But I don't know what actually to do with it. It's just I don't like the look of DT at all. So would it be AMT or IMT? But either way, it's a weird formation. Maybe we're doing same or sime or side. I don't know. Either the M goes before the T, or actually the D does not have to go for the T. So I think the D is at the start. So maybe DI something T. What are we putting there? The O or the U? Or like DAUT? Or it's DAME or DIME? I just don't see those words. What are we doing? I'm going to guess cameo to see what that gets me. Oh, AM. Okay, so it doesn't have to be AMEO, but there isn't. One of them ends in O. Could be TO or EO. I need to start something with D to know if we start with D or not. Is there like something like this or with the A? Or This is weird. Ditto. Yeah, alike, ditto. Okay, so what's left is the S-A-M-E. Okay, ditto and same. Is it sames? Sames. Okay. Okay, I wasn't thinking of sames, but I got there, and they did indeed have to do with alike. Nice. All right. Well, let's spin the bonus game wheel and see what tomorrow's game will be. It will be Alan Prince's suggestion of word grid. So if you'd like to play along, we'll be playing word grid tomorrow. And how'd you do?